guys, it's Girl with 2 Jsm Me here, and in other words, Nella here. And I'm with my sister here. We're going to be singing Titanium. I think that's how you say it? Yeah. Say hi.
Hi. Titanium.
Titanium. Whatever. Alright. So we're going to be doing karaoke. I'm going to take turns. And
Alright.
okay. You shout it out, but I can't hear a word you say. I'm talking loud, not saying much. I'm criticized, but all your bullets ricochet. You shoot me down, but I get up.
I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Fire away, fire away. Ricochet, you take your aim. Fire away, fire away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Cut me down, but it's you who have further to fall. Ghost town, haunted love. Raise your voice. Sticks and stones may break my bones. I'm talking loud, not saying much.
I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Fire away, fire away. Ricochet, you take your aim. Fire away, fire away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. I am titanium. I am titanium.
Stone heart, machine gun, firing at the ones who run. Stone heart, those bulletproof guns. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium.
Okay guys, so that was our video for today, and comment below who sang better. Probably my sister. But yeah, like this video, comment, rate, subscribe, and mostly subscribe. And comment below who sang better. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.